Good afternoon, and thank you for your purchase of the Flowhunter 2. This is the Flowhunter 2 plus the XDS03 transducer. Notice the centrifugal rings here to help keep condensation away from the transducer face. Let's start out with the wiring here. In the very first terminal spot is the red, where this is the core of the coaxial. It goes into the positive. And number 2 is the negative, which is blue, which is the shield from the transducer going to number 2. And right now it shows in gallons per minute. It's in run mode. If we hit mode and you see the password come up, hit set, this goes into the menu. Okay, first of all we could go down here to device selection, number 2, hit set. Once we're inside that, if you notice the numbers up here, it says device 1-2. 1 is your device, which is a Parshall flume. 2 is the size of your device. So if we go ahead and see the asterisk here at 1 for Parshall flume, we're going to hit set to enter. And then number 2 is what's selected, which is a 2-inch. So let's go ahead and change it to a 9-inch Parshall flume, which is number 5. So we're going to go down to 5. Or up to 5, I should say. Hit set. Alright, now you see the numbers 1-5. That's Parshall for a 9-inch flume. Alright, now we're going to hit mode to go back to the main menu. Okay, we're going to go down to 3, which is your auto bottom 0. If you have the ability to turn your flow off, you can auto detect your empty distance by using this feature. Hit set to go in to the menu. And here it's detecting from the transducer face and coming back. At the 0 level it's saying 4.5 feet. Now if I want to select this and set it as my empty distance, I can hit the set button, which will save it, or I hit escape to go down. So let's say I want to do it at 4.5 feet. I just hit set and there it goes. Automatically detects the empty level. Now we're going to go down to number 4, which is bottom distance. This is when you manually want to select your bottom distance or empty distance. Okay, and of course earlier we did the 4.5 for the auto bottom. We're going to change that. I'm going to move it up to about 5 feet. Hold the up button until we get there. Okay, and once we're at 5 feet, we hit set to save. The number goes away. Okay, now we're going to move down to number 6 is your flow 4 to 20 milliamp set point. And on your terminal strips, it's going to be number 4 and 5. 4 is going to be your positive, 5 is going to be your negative. Again, this is for milliamp 1 of your flow for your 4 to 20. Okay, we're going to hit set to enter. At this point you have 2 categories, the 4. So we're going to go into the 4 milliamp set point, and it's at 0, which it should be. We hit set. Okay, now we're going to move down to the 20 milliamp set point. We're going to hit set for the number to come up. What we have is our 9-inch Parshall flume. We're going to do a 2-foot max head, and at 2 feet, that is 3979 gallons per minute. Of course, 3979 gallons per minute. We're going to hit set to save. Hit mode to go back to the main menu. Okay, we're going to go down to number 13, which is your low flow cut value. We hit set to enter. Here, if you want to show true 0 flow, you set this to 0 and then hit set. Now if you get a trickle and you do not want to calculate the trickle and you want to ignore it, you would set this up a little bit to whatever gallons per minute that you do not want to see on your low end. After you have that set, hit set. Alright, after you're done here, you hit run mode, and this is going to take us back to start. Alright, now we're in run mode, and here it says gallons per minute. If you want million gallons a day, you would hit the up button. There it goes, the million gallons a day. This concludes our quick setup video for the Flowhunter 2 and the XDS03 transducer. Thank you and have a great day.